In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Docusign to Microsoft Word. This is a fantastic tool for anyone who frequently deals with signing documents electronically. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to integrate Docusign seamlessly into your Word documents, making the signing process faster and more efficient. Now, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word application. It's important to have Word ready and running on your computer, as this will allow us to integrate the necessary features directly into your workflow. Once you're in the application, you can open any document. It doesn't matter which one. This step is simply about having a document open so we can proceed with the integration process. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Home tab on the top ribbon of Word. This is where you'll find a lot of the basic functionalities of the application. So it's always a good starting point if you're making any changes or looking to add features. From there, look for the section called Add-ins. This is a valuable feature in Word that allows you to enhance its capabilities with additional tools like Docusign. In the Add-ins section, you'll see an option to search for more add-ins. Click on this and a search menu will pop up. In the search bar, type Docusign. It's important to make sure your spelling is correct to ensure that you find the exact add-in you need. Once the search results are displayed, you should see Docusign listed there. When you've located Docusign in the search results, you can click on it to view more details. This will typically include a brief description of the add-in and how it can be used within Word. If you're satisfied with what you see and you're ready to add it to your application, find the Add button. Clicking this will start the process of integrating Docusign into Word. Once added, you should explore the new Docusign functionalities within Word. This integration allows you not only to sign documents, but also to send documents for others to sign electronically, greatly enhancing your productivity and efficiency. It's worth taking some time to familiarize yourself with how Docusign can be used in various scenarios, whether you're preparing lease agreements, contracts, or simple forms. Essentially, by adding Docusign to Word, you are bringing the power of digital signing to your document creation toolkit, making handling documents that require signatures a whole lot smoother. And that wraps up our guide on integrating Docusign with Microsoft Word. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing!